Yo, Shovel99 here back with another video. So guys, today I'm just going to be doing a little bit of a vlog. Nothing spectacular, nothing very long. Just going to go to Herman Park. I believe that's what it's called. Just kind of hang out there for a little bit. Just kind of show you the park a bit because I actually am pretty curious about it. I have never really been to this section of it, so it'd be interesting to see. So they basically said it's supposed to rain all week. Hopefully not. I gotta watch my back. Yeah, gotta pay attention, gotta be careful. So any new tech events coming up soon? Man, this camera does really well in good lighting situations. So here's the entrance. It's a very wooded area. Like I say, I never really explored this area. I want to kind of take a look at it while I'm here. I'm definitely starting to feel some drops of rain. Hopefully I can get back before it does. But like I said, just wanted to check it out. There's definitely some products that I definitely want to test out. Oh, it's not really much here. I thought this was an actual trail, but it just kind of leads back out to the parking lot. I mean, not parking lot, to the street. Huh. Well, now I know. But anyway. Huh. Nothing really much back here. But anyway, there's definitely some products that I want to test out and some things that I want to do. I'm still growing my business thanks to you guys. We're at 102 subscribers so far. I did get a social media manager, so if you've been following me on my other social medias like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, you get a variety of content there. I do sometimes post my regular videos there as well, but You also get behind the scenes, different photos and everything. Everything's down in the description. So guys, I'm basically going to end it off here. Nothing too long. So if you'd like to support this channel, you could do it through PayPal, through Venmo, through Patreon, become a monthly subscriber. You can buy some merch through teespring.com/shelf199. You can check out the channel affiliates down in the description. And as always, have passion, dream big.